What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable flash notification on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, right? And this works for any other Android smartphone as well, but we're focusing on the Samsung Galaxy here. So you want to do a swipe up and you want to open settings on your phone, right? From here guys, you'll be greeted with a bunch of settings, but you want to scroll all the way down to accessibility. Right click on that and you want to go into the advanced features, then you'll see flash notification. Go ahead and tap on that. From here you have two type of flash notifications. You have the camera flash notification, right? And as you can see in the preview there, they show both of them, right? What it looks like. Now if you want to use the camera flash notification, you simply toggle it on, right? And from here you're going to be greeted with a bunch of different apps, so you can choose which apps you want to use the flash notification for. You can basically select all, or you can just toggle off the ones simply that you don't need, right? Very easy, something like that. Yeah, so you choose what you want, right? Now if you don't want to use that and you would like to use a screen flash notification, you do the same, right? You can toggle it on and you can basically choose the color. How amazing is that? So if you tap on the color, you can choose which color you want to use to get the flash notification. And let's say you want to use this color, you can preview it and see how it looks on the screen there. You can choose another color and so forth. So you can go through them and you can find the one that fits you the best, right? And then once you do that, then you can simply click on the preview and click done. And as well, you can select the apps that you want. So if you click on the radio button there for apps, you can go through the list and you can choose the apps that you want this to work with, right? So it's up to you. You can easily do that. And yeah, once you're ready, all you have to do is just go ahead and use it. Toggle it on, choose the apps, and that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.